Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. I welcome you to an interesting DIY video. Here we are gonna teach you how to make some unique and lovely crafts. So just dive into the world of colors. Make the ants and the pineapples, the parts of pineapple and this watermelon in this form. Make the ladder as well and then the ants around. Pretty amazing. You can just decorate it further in this manner. Now over a black sheet, circular sheet, here you have to paste the earbuds in a line and then the windows and then the entrance. Further paste the sticks and all, and then you need to paste these semicircular sheets in this manner. Make the clouds and all in this way, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty, isn't it? Keep on proceeding, and here what we have to do, here you have to take the colors like this and then make the dots around. You have to put the circular dots and then just make this big broad smile. Decorate these monsters further in this manner. Creepy, isn't it? Now here you need to make the rainbow along the sides and decorate the scenery by making the dots and all. Now here, using the cardboard sheet, you have to spread the colors and then just spread them in this manner and then make the patterns like this. Let's see what in the end are we going to make. So you just have to get the dots and make the buildings and all in this manner and make the scenery look like this. Let's have a look, and just you need to decorate it further in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely pretty. Keep on proceeding, and now here you need to paste the clays and all, and then here make the spirals like this. You need to paste it on the top of this, and let's have a look what are we going to do. You have to just make the eyes and all and decorate the scene further in this manner. Now just make the eyes and the big broad smile and the snails all around. Keep on proceeding. Now here what are we up to? What are we going to do here? You have to make the bob-like structure in this manner and then put the shells inside the clay. Decorate further by having the dots and all and make it in this manner. This is gonna look absolutely pretty and beautiful. Now with the help of your fingers, what you need to do, you need to spread them up in this manner and then paste a clay in between, and then you need to make these pretty flowers and the petals all around, and further you need to put the dots and all. Make the leaves in this manner, and this is gonna look absolutely pretty. Here you need to make the ladybug as well. Make the dots all over to make the scene look realistic. Now here again spread the clay in this way, and let's see what are we going to make. Here you need to spread the clay further along with the help of your fingers and then put the dots all around. You need to put them up in this manner and then make the small tiny flowers in this way. Keep on proceeding, and let's have a look to our next one. Just get the circular impressions on the sheets and then a color, spread them up in this form, then put the white dot, and what are we going to do, you need to make some patterns like this. Draw it in this shape, and then further what are we going to do, you need to make the stars and all and then big smile, cute smile on the face, and these are gonna look pretty cool. Make the dots around and this is gonna look absolutely pretty and cool.